we feel like we are more engaged in our discussion session. There's a chat function on the right-hand side, so you just type the question whenever you have. For the introvert and extrovert, they both can participate into the discussion session.
Pre-recorded lectures help us to get the complicated concepts and topics more easily. In the video, you can always return to the most confusing part of the lecture and read it and listen to it again and again until you get the information properly.
One good thing about live classes is that you can ask professors questions in real time rather than emailing them. Also, make sure to time manage well and always check when your assignments are due.
USF did so much so that we could learn, and I'm grateful for that.